So it might look dodgy, but we've got a whole heap of clothing donated to the company that Karen works for. She works for a non-for-profit. And the trouble is, it got donated with, where are they? The security tags on them. So we've got a whole heap of these things. And you look online and they talk about being able to pry these apart and then there's a pin between them. But we're given the hint that a magnet can do it. So what we've got here is ball bearings in there, a spring and a container mechanism. If you apply enough force with magnetism, you can pull all that back and then the pin comes out. So I initially tried with hard drive magnets. So this hard drive magnet couldn't quite do the job. That's probably out of a modern-ish 3¼ inch hard drive. So the magnet's not that big, but still they're pretty good. Neodymium magnets. But then I found this one out of an old school. This might have been an old 5-inch drive or something like that, or maybe an older 3.5 inch drive. And watch how it works. So apply the magnet. They just came out too easy, actually. So you get an idea. This pin here has got a bit of a sort of a interference fit into there when the ball bearings are in place. So that one just came out way too easy. Let's try another one. Another random one here. So again, we've got the pin that goes through there. We're going to try and... Yeah, okay, so this is usually what happens there. Just a little bit tighter. Just jiggle them around a bit. Now this one's not going to come out. The other one was too easy, and this one's... Oh, there we go, finally. So yeah, if you've got enough Teslas of magnetism, you can get them out. So I've got two there. I don't know how the flux lines work around this because, as you might know, we've got the neodymium magnet on this side, but on this side it's the mu metal stuff which blocks magnetic flux. So I'm not sure whether I've done anything here by adding two, but they stuck together, and this is the way that I got them out of the box of magnets I've got. So yeah, works a treat. And these things make good little thumbtacks if you need thumbtacks. But there, it's made short work of all these. Yes, these were genuinely donated. They're not. We didn't go and steal a whole bag of girls' underwear stuff. They were donated to the charity, but they all had those locks on them. So, yeah, this makes short work of it.